Okay, okay. We choose two models of school bags, this one and this one. You could tell me what colors do you prefer. Okay, let's begin with this one. As you can see, this is the front panel. This is the front panel. Yeah, you can take it as a school bag or a business bag. You can take it every day to school or for work, for business use. That's the front panel and the whole look. This is made by polyester, and here you can also see some coating materials here. Yeah, and this part is with rift material. And for this bag, we have we have three compartments. This is the front compartment. Yeah, this pocket, you can have your laptop inside, 14-inch